Hi fellas, got another beer review tonight from DTS, Mr David. Gone from the Highlands now, I've come down to the Drumore, which is one of the most southerly places of Scotland, Dumfries and Galloway. So tonight we've got the Hoppy wheat. Been meaning to try it for ages. I've been putting it off till did my brew, but I can't put it off any longer. This has got to be, it's been a red hot day today. Been travelling, so I've just been for a walk on the beach of Albert. Beautiful evening. It's almost 20 to 8 now, so it's been a long day, but it's been a good day. So I'm going to pop this and I'll see what we can do with it, and I'll give it a spin round the location we're at, and we'll come back and try it. So not too bad, nice hiss, nice pop, nice bit of cannon smoke. So, don't expect it to be clear, it's a Hoppy wheat beer. I've done it again. Whoa. Ooh, loads coming off on the nose on that. It's very well carbonated. Wheat beer should be carbonated. Look at the golden colour on that, light golden colour. It's been cooled. It's travelled with me today, so it should be a bit shook up, but it's actually very clear, if you can see there. Lovely backdrop in the background, so I'll show you that. We'll come back and we'll give a proper review. There's a little summer house, and look at that, it's got its own little beer fridge. Got another one of David's beers to do, and I've got commercial, may do that, so it's in there. Reflector telescope. I'll just show you a little spin round of the beach and the harbour. Beautiful little place. Just the birds that's going mad tonight, so spin round. Sun's on it, is on its way down, so we'll get this review popped and poured. Great looking beer. So we've got Hoppy wheat, 5% ABV, bottled on the 18th, 11th, 19, so it's a good age on it. You normally lose the hop aroma on these beers, don't you? So let's see if there's any difference. There's loads on there. It's, you wouldn't think it's a wheat beer, I don't think, because it's quite crisp. It's refreshing, and it's hop forward. So we'll let's dive in. Cheers, and cheers, David. That's so refreshing, that. I'm not sure how much wheat goes in that recipe. I have got the recipe at home because I'm going to do the brew which David gave me the kit, which is from the Malt Miller. If I think on, I'll put a link down to the Malt Miller kit that David recommended. I can't think off the top of my head. The South African brewery. And sure, put a comment down below, but look at that there. So let's pour a bit more. If it goes a bit hazy, it's because it's obviously been left to settle. Let's have a look. But I think this yeast is well compacted by now. It's got a touch more hazy, but not like some of the ones that I've had where I bottle conditioned them and you get yeast particles in the bottom, and when you pour it and then pour it again, they do get disturbed. But that's cracking looking beer. Look at that. Perfect summer's night. So first time in this area, Scotland. It's been beautiful, really nice drive down, headed for Perth, Stirling, went past Stirling Castle, magnificent monument. No, I've been to Stirling Castle, well on the outskirts, and actually been in it, but that's a magnificent building. Then headed towards Glasgow, didn't spend too long there, we bypassed that and on to Stranraer, and then just came off for Dumfries and Galloway. So that's whetting my appetite, that more to do it than ever now. I was putting it off because I wanted to see if mine could taste as good as David's, and hopefully if he's got one left and I'm cheeky, he might bring me another one at some point. When I do the brew, I'll obviously send him a couple of mine and just see how they compare to the original, because that's a cracking brew, that. really nice. So I'll put my feet up and enjoy this. It's going to be a magnificent sunset over this side. If I get a picture of it or a video, I'll put it in my next vlog. So I've got one more beer Dave's and a commercial. So cheers fellas, thanks for watching, catch you later.